enthusiasts, get ready to have your mind blown today. The moon, our celestial companion, is not only shrinking, but also wrinkling up, just like a raisin. How crazy is that? Hard to imagine, right? But this is happening because the moon has retained its inner heat for over 4 billion years. However, now its core is gradually cooling down, becoming denser. This cooling process is causing the moon's surface to contract, creating wrinkles and ridges that we can observe. The moon is a fascinating celestial body that has intrigued humanity for centuries. Its phases and its influence on the tides have been the subject of countless myths and scientific studies. But the idea that the moon is shrinking adds a whole new layer to our understanding of this enigmatic satellite. The process of cooling and contracting is similar to what happens to an apple left out to dry, except on a much grander and more complex scale. It's almost poetic to think that our moon, which has been a constant in our night sky, is undergoing such significant transformations. But here's the real kicker. This shrinkage is causing moonquakes. Yes, you heard it right. Quakes on the moon that are shaking our astronauts and their missions up. As our cherished moon has shrunk by around 150 feet, the resulting surface tension is leading to increased seismic activities. These moonquakes can be quite intense, with some measuring up to 5 on the Richter scale. It's fascinating to think that even our moon, which we often see as a stable and unchanging presence in the sky, is undergoing such dynamic changes. These findings are not just scientifically intriguing, but they also have significant implications for future lunar missions and the safety of astronauts exploring the moon's surface. And these aren't just mild tremors. During the famous Apollo missions, NASA managed to record over 12,000 moonquakes ranging in magnitudes from 2 to a whopping 5.7. These moonquakes were detected using seismometers placed on the lunar surface by the Apollo astronauts. The data collected has provided valuable insights into the internal structure and seismic activity of the moon, revealing that our celestial neighbor is far from geologically inactive. The Apollo missions were groundbreaking in many ways, and the discovery of moonquakes is one of their lasting legacies. This data has paved the way for a deeper understanding of the moon's geophysical properties and has highlighted the importance of continued exploration and study. Additionally, scientists have learned that these moonquakes are not uniformly distributed across the moon's surface. There are particular hotspots where seismic activity is more frequent and intense. This information is vital for planning future lunar missions, as it helps identify safer landing sites in areas where infrastructure can be built to withstand these natural phenomena. The identification of these hotspots is a crucial step in ensuring the safety and success of future lunar endeavors. It allows mission planners to design strategies that mitigate risks and enhance the stability of lunar bases and habitats. Now, where is your curiosity taking you? To our missions, right? Well, this shrinkage and the resulting quakes aren't going to keep us grounded. NASA's Artemis 3 mission, set for 2026, is going to land astronauts at the moon's south pole, regardless of the moonquake hotspots in the area. This mission is part of an ambitious agenda to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, serving as a stepping stone for future Mars missions. The Artemis program is not just about reaching the moon again, it's about creating a long-term presence that will enable further exploration of our solar system. The south pole of the moon is of particular interest because of its permanently shadowed regions that may contain water ice, a critical resource for future missions. But what does this all mean for our future as a spacefaring species? In short, it's a whole new world of considerations and precautions. The ongoing research into the moon's geological activity has revealed a landscape that is far more dynamic and complex than we previously understood. We are not just talking about minor adjustments, but groundbreaking works to ensure safe, long-term habitation on the moon, which could be a reality sooner than we think. The moon, often seen as a barren and static world, is proving to be a place of active geological processes that must be understood and managed. Astronauts and scientists are developing innovative technologies to mitigate the effects of moonquakes and other lunar phenomena. This includes creating lunar habitats that can withstand seismic activity and designing advanced communication systems to ensure that we remain connected with Earth. Moreover, engineers are working on developing robust lunar infrastructure such as roads and landing pads that can endure the moon's harsh and ever-changing environment. These advancements are crucial for the success of long-term missions and for the safety of the astronauts who will live and work on the moon. Intrigued? Want to know more about this exciting and vastly unexplored phenomenon? Then stay tuned and let's journey together into the fascinating world of space exploration. The future of humanity in space is unfolding before our eyes, and there's so much more to discover and learn. From understanding the moon's geological secrets to developing the technologies that will enable us to live and work on its surface, each step brings us closer to becoming a true spacefaring civilization. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.